How to make decals in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this option of Create. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you're gonna find different options at the top. Head towards the option of Dashboard. Open it. Now navigate to this option of development items, open it. Under that you're gonna find different options, click on this option of decals, open it. Now scroll down, you'll find this option of upload asset, click on it. Once again click on this option of upload. Now go ahead and select the picture that you want to decal. Just upload the picture, now you can give a name to your decal. Also you can add description. Once you complete this process, scroll down and then click on upload. After completion of upload process, you can head back, come to the home page of Roblox account. At the top left corner, you can find 3 bars, click on it. Under that, you will find this option of inventory, open it. Under inventory, you're gonna find different categories, head towards the category of decals. And in this page, you will be able to find your decal. Well, this is how you can easily make decals in Roblox. By applying the same process, you can make other decals as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.